Oh, good morning. On this episode of Cooking with Squirrel, we're going to be making chicken chassuer. Let me get changed and we'll get started. So to start this classic chicken chassuer, the first thing we're going to want to do is pat our chicken dry, season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just going to take a paper towel and get these nice and dry so we can get a good crust on them. We got one leg and thigh we're going to do. The classical method is an entire chicken broke down into 8 pieces. I could do that, but I'm not going to. We're just going to sprinkle a little rock salt on there, kosher salt. And a little black pepper. Now that we got our black irons smoking hot, we're going to add a little bit of clarified butter and brown this chicken. We're going to get our butter melted here. And we're going to go ahead and add this chicken. Now, if you are doing more than 2 pieces, you do not want to crowd this pan. At this point, we're not cooking the chicken. We're just getting a good color on it, on all sides. We are not looking to get as much color as if this was roast. But a nice color. Now that the chicken has a nice color to it, we're going to go ahead and add some sliced mushrooms and shallots and give those a quick saute. We don't want to brown them, just a quick saute. A little color. Now that those have had a quick saute, we're going to add some cognac and white wine, and we're going to attempt to flame it off, which we just did. If I had a gas stove, we went ahead and introduced ignition. And we're going to want to reduce this wine by a little bit. Now that we've reduced that wine, we're going to add about a pint of this demi we'd made. Roll that around. We're going to add a little bit of diced tomatoes. And just a pinch of fresh chopped rosemary and tarragon. We're going to go ahead and stir this around and bring this to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat, add the chicken back to it, and simmer it till the chicken's done. I'd say 20 to 30 minutes. Now that our demi's at a boil, we're going to go ahead and reduce that heat. Give it a quick stir. Reintroduce our chicken. Turn down to a nice simmer. We're going to go ahead and cover it and let it cook for about 25 minutes. Now that we've had this chicken in there, I guess about 27 minutes or so, it's done. We're going to go ahead and remove the lid and pull this chicken out and set it aside and finish this sauce. What we want to do is we're going to go ahead and turn this heat up and reduce it ever so slightly. The scum forms, we're going to go ahead and want to skim that off. See, we don't have much to skim because when we made our Espanol and our demi, we skimmed quite a bit. At this time, we're going to go ahead and cut the heat and plate up. We're going to take this thigh right here, set that on the plate. Take this drumstick, set it right on top of that. Set this drumstick like that. And we're going to go ahead and take a spoonful of this sauce. Try to get some mushrooms and tomatoes in it. Right over the top. I hope you have enjoyed watching this as much as I have enjoyed making this. If I can make this in my kitchen, what can you make in yours? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.